Concrete coating business owners, do you want to see your revenue grow in just 30 days with a system that's helped dozens of concrete coating businesses succeed without having to pay high setup fees? We'll personally install our highly effective Facebook ad strategy and customer acquisition system into your business so that you could start seeing real, fast results with a consistent flow of qualified buyers. Here's what you'll get. Instant access to quality leads. Our Facebook ad ecosystem is designed to target the most serious buyers in your area. Proven repeatable success. This is the exact system we've used to help top coating companies like Garage Experts, Encore Garage, Garage Floor Coatings, and so many others dominate their markets. More sales conversions, a customer experience that gives your company an edge right from the start, plus automatically reactivates ghosted leads and tire kickers so that you can convert more sales and save time. We're so confident in our system that we'll give you everything for the first 14 days for free, no setup costs, no contracts. You'll only need to invest a little in Facebook ads to start seeing the profits before you pay us a single dollar. This is your chance to install a largely automated, highly profitable, and proven system into your business backed by real case studies and success stories. We will be closing this free trial offer soon. This is your final opportunity to take advantage before it's gone. So do you want to start growing your business right now without the guesswork? Comment or message me with the words "Let's talk" and I'll personally respond. Talk soon.